Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, September the 25th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have online fraud that is in the news. A report coming from UK Finance shows that different online scams have actually racked in £500 million in the first half of 2018, showing how this is a huge problem and a lot of people are getting caught. So it's time to educate your friends and family to make sure that they don't get, lose money over these bad guys trying to steal a lot of money. Well, if you are a Windows 10 April 2018 user, the Microsoft has announced today that it starts to roll out Sticky Notes 3.0, the new version of Sticky Notes with much improved way of actually, posting notes on your PC. And we knew that it would come to the April 2018 update also, and it's apparently rolling out now. You should have it in the next few days. Google Chrome, that was in the news yesterday. Well, Google wanted to put things straight, saying that you're not signed in to Google Chrome when you actually go into your accounts using the browser. You will see your account picture, but it is not because you're signed in into Google Chrome, and there's no information that's being synced to Google when you do this, after a lot of people reported that you were actually automatically signed into the browser when you were using their services. Microsoft Research, as of course a side of artificial intelligence, it once, well, actually had created AI for Earth to try to use artificial intelligence to save our planet. Now they are actually creating AI for humanitarian cause. And this is $40 million over the next 5 years to just help out in the world. Microsoft has announced Office 2019. It's officially available for volume licensed businesses. Also, it announced that it will be pushing the 64-bit version of the Office suite before the 32-bit, which was what they were due before. Also, the version of Office 2019 is probably the last one that will contain the perpetual license model. That is, you buy Office and you get it forever. Of course, Microsoft wants people to go to the Office 365 subscription model. 5G networks and foldable displays. Apparently, manufacturers are hoping that these two things together will help drive the sales of smartphones in the next few years. And the latest numbers are still showing a slowdown in the sales of devices. You know, these phones are so powerful now that it's you don't need to replace them as often. McAfee has released its latest threat report, and it says that one of the major problems is malware containing cryptocurrency mining are getting worse and at an alarming rate. And it's the #1 reason for bad software or malware right now around the world. It says that we need to do something about this, also that it's getting more and more difficult to detect. Firefox Monitor is rolling out. This is a new feature that actually Mozilla has online. With the Firefox Monitor, in partnership with Have I Been Pwned, will tell you if you've been included in some data breach or some data theft at some point using your email address. And of course, we'll talk about this today. A report says that many employees actually quit not because the job isn't fun, but because the commute is too long. And that report says that businesses would actually have a positive way of doing things if they would just have workers in remote locations or working from home, as many jobs, especially in the IT field, can be done from home. And of course, that would solve the long commute problems that a lot of workers just don't like. And finally, Qualcomm is suing Apple. It says that Apple has leaked confidential information about its chips and software to Intel in a court filing. It says that it actually did that to help Intel get better chips, and that it is, of course, something that should not be done. It's, of course, secrets from the company, and that, well, it's suing Apple. We'll see what's going to happen if Apple does get, accused of this and basically those wrongdoings, actually. And so this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, September 25th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.